Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Today we are having a special session on important nutrients for students. This session is going to give awareness to all the students of different classes that how should they have intake of important nutrients for their studies, for their brain function, their cognitive well-being, etc. So today's topic section is essential nutrients for students. First of all, what are nutrients? Nutrients are some important things that are available or present in the food. Like in the green leafy vegetables, there are some nutrients which are important for students. Vitamins, minerals, proteins, probiotics, carbohydrates, etc. These all are called the minerals. These all are called the nutrients which are essential for students. Today's special class, master class, is for those students who want to improve their cognitive function and their overall well-being. So let's get started about today's class. First of all, we have three sessions in our today's session. Brain boosting nutrients which boost the brain, give energy to the brain and make the brain work smarter and better. Second ones are energy boosting nutrients which give energy throughout the body and especially to the brain, energizing ones. And the third ones are immune boosting nutrients. What is immunity? Immunity, I-M-M-U-N-I-T-Y. Immunity is a system in our body that helps us fight diseases. So let's get started with our first ones. First part of our lecture is brain boosting nutrients. There we will have three parts in which we will be discussing that what are the important nutrients that students should have for improving their brain function or boosting their brain. Number one are omega-3 fatty acids. Number one, omega-3 fatty acids which are very important for the cognitive development of the students. These omega-3 fatty acids support brain function and development. The brain function is supported, for an instance, sometimes when those people who have less intake of nutrients, they are not able to perform well in their studies. So when they have proper intake of omega-3 fatty acids, then their brain function will be more towards education and they will be able to pay more focus towards their studies. Then the brain also develops. There are some students whose brain, despite they have gone to intermediate classes or metric classes, their brain does not function so well. However, there are some students from the private schools or those who can have proper intake of nutrients, their brain functions very well and they are considered to be the intelligent students. It's because their nutrients are complete and they have balanced diet. So, because of the omega-3 fatty acids, your brain would function well, first thing, and next your brain would develop faster than the average students or those students who are on junk food, bad food like pizza, burgers, etc. Food sources. Where can you have omega-3 fatty acids? Number one, fatty fish, the fish that has fat fish. You can have omega-3 fatty acids from the fish. And then nuts like almond, walnut, all the nuts, peanut, you can have omega-3 fatty acids from the nuts too, and seeds. Seeds like the seed of sunflower or seeds of any plants. And then fortified foods also. Fortified foods like yogurt, milk, dairy products, etc. These are called the fortified foods that you can have omega-3 fatty acids from. Moving onward, brain boosting nutrients part 2, vitamin D. Very essential for improving our brain function and mood regulation too. Sometimes there are students whose mood is not regulated. Sometimes they get very angry, they are emotional, sometimes very sad. Their mood is going up and down and down. It's also because they have a lack of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. Let's discuss vitamin D. Essential for cognitive function. Cognitive function means the function related to our brain. Vitamin D is important for our brain function and mood regulation too. As we discussed earlier that the mood function is important. And then food sources. What are the food sources of it? Fatty fish. We can have these important nutrients from the fatty fish, etc. Now we will be discussing about the sources of vitamin D. The sources of vitamin D are fatty fish again, the fish which has fat, fortified dairy like yogurt which is fortified, and then sunlight exposure. We also get the vitamin D from the sunlight. If we sit in the sunlight would reach our body and we would have the sunlight exposure, and through that we would get the vitamin D, which is a brain boosting nutrient for students. Next one is B vitamins. They play a crucial role in energy production and brain function. Our energy is produced because of B vitamins, vitamin B complex or all the types of vitamin B. They produce energy in us, and then the brain function is also improved because of the vitamin Bs. The sources are whole grains like wheat, rice, etc. Lean meats, fish, eggs, and apart from eggs, you can also have it from dairy. Dairy means any product that are made of milk, like butter, milk itself, yogurt, and all the products that are from milk. These were the brain boosting nutrients. Moving onwards, we will be discussing the next one, that is energy boosting nutrients. How to get energy. Energy, the bodily energy like quickness in sports, etc. So how to get those? Number one, get these energy boosting nutrients from iron. Iron is present in most of the foods that we have, and it's essential for our proper energy. Essential for healthy red blood cells. We have RBCs and white BCs that are present in our body. RBCs and white WBCs, white blood cells. So for better health of red blood cells, we need iron, and energy production too, we need iron for the production of energy in our body. Then its food sources are dark leafy greens, the vegetables that are dark green in color, like spinach. Nuts, all the nuts that we discussed like almond, peanut, walnut, etc. And seeds also, and then again whole grains. We get iron from these food sources. If you have a sufficient amount of these, so you are going to get energy from them. Moving onwards, we get energy boosting nutrients from magnesium is also one of the energy boosting nutrients. It supports energy production and muscle function. Our muscles like these muscles of limbs, muscles of hands, muscles of face, all the muscles that are present in our body, magnesium helps us to properly utilize them. There are some students whose muscles do not function properly, or in unnoticed way they cannot do it well. Like sometimes their facial expressions move very quickly. It's because they have lack of magnesium or energy boosting nutrients. Muscle function and energy production is supported by magnesium. Food sources are dark leafy greens. Once again, the dark leafy vegetables like spinach, I told you the example before. Nuts, seeds, and whole grains once again. Then energy boosting nutrients are complex carbohydrates. There are carbohydrates and there are complex carbohydrates too. These provide sustained energy and support brain function. Sustained energy for a longer period of time, and they provide us the balance of brain function too. Our brain functions well, means the cognitive development happens, or cognitive strength. Cognitive means related to our brain. The food sources are whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Legumes provide protein also. All the things that are present in the legumes like lentils, etc. So these are legumes. Now moving onwards, we have the last component of our session, that is immune boosting nutrients. What is immunity? Immunity means the strength of our body. So the immune boosting nutrients are vitamin C, which is available in orange, zinc, which is available in different sort of foods, and probiotics. Probiotics is also available in different foods. So this was our today's session, in which we discussed what are the important things for you students, for you candidates, who are studying and trying to improve their brain function. In this session, we discuss three important things: brain boosting nutrients, energy boosting nutrients, and immune boosting nutrients. I hope this session was very useful for you. You would apply it and have better food and balanced food. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.